2-speed on there. Out with Sammy. Go ahead and do some racing or whatever on road. I want to test out the 2-speed and see how it is. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all. Gonna run it without the body and go from there. I know that 2-speed probably set up late. You gotta get up there. Oh, woo. I didn't even see that car. Good thing I got out of that. Spinning out a hell of a lot.
Where are your shots at? Mine was doing the same shit, man. I shifted them up a little bit. Flipping all over the place.
Look at that, it's burning out.
Yo, you even have front wheel drive?
Yeah, I don't think so now. That went wrong. Alright, y'all, so I just stripped out a pulley for this right there.
Is this one yours or mine? Nah, it might have been yours. I might have put it in. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, y'all, we back. Oh, nice.
Uh-oh.
What's that sound like? Too lean. Wide ass turn. I got master breaker turn.
God, it flies crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, the suspension is too stiff.
Yeah, probably. I seen your adjusters.
Oh, I forgot we was. Ooh,
Oh shit, that's as close as it gets.
Why not? Lamborghini versus Corvette. Next time I'm gonna put some foam. As a matter of fact, I should do that right now. It'll make the car lower though. Put my foams right there on there and see if it make a difference.
What on it? What'd you say?
These foams.
Oh yeah. It would definitely lower it. 1, go.
I think I'd jump if you ask me. Let's try that again. I ain't gonna let. Oh, I'm about to call it.
3, 2, 1, go. I jumped on him big time. Three, 2, 1, go. Ah, you were flooded.
No, what we should do? I'm gonna put the big tires back on. And we can run it around this damn track, go from there. You said it ain't clean though. Go from there.
Circle track?
Yeah, go up there, hit that one.
A lot of fucking rocks and shit down there.
I seen it coming, but I didn't want to take my eye off of my car. Get it? She hooking up now.
Out of control.
Mine's hooking up now.
Mine ain't. Trying to go too fast, that's why.
Oh, you drifting now.
Things are gonna get hot quick. Just in the car, I didn't know.
Oh no! Nice save. That's how you know you was trying to catch me. I ain't see you flip that thing at all.
Fishtailed and then it just grabs.
I haven't had my second kick in yet. How about that lady?
Yeah, mine tops out quick, but it gets there quick.
I gotta adjust my 2-speed. It ain't shifting.
It ain't shifting no more?
It's shifting, but I gotta take it way out. Right.
Yeah, also you ain't got that up and go really.
I think it just switched.
Both of us. Uh-oh.
Nah, probably something stuck.
I thought something was stuck in my shit.
I gotta change it. It's shifting. I mean, if I set it straight across the parking lot, it'll shift. Watch.
Yeah.
I'm not getting no shifting. Unless it's shifting too early. I might be stuck in second, no? You don't think so?
Maybe. Only way that can really happen is if the arm's stuck out.
I mean, that don't sound like second, but
it is taking off real slow. There it is. I have way better luck this way.
look at that shit hopping. Suspension definitely too tight. I don't hear second gear. I don't know if it's switching too early.
Mine. Definitely nothing there. Because my shit's quiet too. Listen to mine.
Nah, you hear that. I need to change. I need to go out with it, I think.
Still not, huh? There it is. That's still kind of late, I think, huh?
You think so? Yeah, I think so too.
You got no fuel, brother. I know it runs good, but shit, I don't think it ain't gonna run with no fuel.
Oh, I thought I was about to hit that guy.
Ice.
Oh, you definitely left me. Somebody coming in.